A rapid advance in technology and innovations in the 21st century has opened the door and paved the way for distance learning in the K-12 environment. Simonson et al. 2012 defines distance learning as institution-based formal education where the learning group is separated and where interactive telecommunication systems are used to connect learners, resources, and instructors. Spector et al. 2014 states that in regards to instructional design, there have been four ages of educational technology. With all of the advances in technology, Spector et al. 2014 feels instructional design is quickly moving educators into a new frontier. Innovations in mobile technology like the iPod, iPad, smartphone, and tablet have created a generation of learners that have greater flexibility, accessibility, immediacy, interaction, and collaboration. Newkirk 2012 refers to the brains of this generation, and all the generations that follow is wired differently. This generation of K-12 students does not know a world without technology, so educators must adapt and mold these wired minds. As Thorson 2009 states, education is undergoing dramatic changes. Technology is transforming education. With new telecommunication innovations and the Internet, distance learning and collaboration between schools in different states and even countries is possible, where only a few years ago it seemed impossible. Distance learning is also a way for K-12 students who are unable to attend school for medical, social, or other reasons to participate in the learning environment and receive the same education as their peers.